Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos for beginners. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need tortillas, either corn or flour, and a protein like 1 pound of ground beef or chicken. Don't forget your favorite toppings such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and cheese. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone involved. Now, let's prepare our taco filling. Start by browning 1 pound of ground meat in a skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to keep your tacos from being too greasy. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water. Let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the liquid has mostly evaporated, creating a flavorful filling. With your filling ready, it's time to warm the tortillas and set up your toppings. You can warm tortillas in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side until they are soft and pliable. Another quick option is to microwave a stack for 20 to 30 seconds. Arrange all your prepared toppings, like lettuce, cheese, and tomatoes, in separate bowls. Don't forget extra sauces like salsa or sour cream for added deliciousness. Finally, let's assemble your perfect taco. Place a warm tortilla on your plate. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoned meat mixture onto the center. Now, pile on your favorite toppings like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and cheese. Feel free to customize each taco exactly how you like it. Serve them immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade tacos. They are so easy and satisfying to make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.